Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Today, we were going to talk about one of the most important concepts in artificial intelligence and data science, and that is MLOps, also known as machine learning operations. Now, what exactly is MLOps? At its core, MLOps is the combination of machine learning, DevOps, and data engineering practices. It's about managing the entire lifecycle of machine learning models, from development to deployment to monitoring and then retraining. In other words, it makes sure that machine learning models don't just stay inside a research notebook, but actually work in real-world environments at scale. Here's the challenge. More than 80% of machine learning models never make it into production. They work great in experiments, but the moment you try to scale them for thousands or millions of users, things start to break. Why does that happen? Because building a model is just the beginning. You also need to handle massive amounts of data, keep track of different model versions, monitor performance when data changes, make sure the system is secure and reliable, and continuously retrain the model. Without a proper process, this becomes chaotic and nearly impossible to manage. That's where MLOps comes in. So, how does the MLOps process work? Imagine a cycle. First, you collect and prepare the data. Then you build and train the model. After testing and validation, the model is deployed into production, where it starts making predictions in real applications. But that's not the end. Once the model is deployed, it must be monitored constantly. Data in the real world changes, users behave differently, and even small shifts can cause accuracy to drop. When that happens, the model needs to be retrained with fresh data and redeployed. This cycle keeps repeating, and MLOps provides the tools and processes to make the whole system smooth and reliable. The benefits of MLOps are huge. It allows companies to scale models to millions of users. It ensures that every experiment and version is reproducible and trackable. It automates many repetitive steps, saving time and effort. It makes monitoring easier, so problems can be caught before they cause damage. And perhaps most importantly, it improves collaboration between data scientists, engineers, and business teams. In short, MLOps transforms machine learning from a research project into a real business asset. Now let's talk about the tools that make this possible. Some of the most popular MLOps platforms include MLflow, which is great for experiment tracking and model management, Kubeflow, which focuses on deploying models on Kubernetes, TensorFlow Extended, also known as TFX, which is Google's pipeline solution, Amazon SageMaker, a full-service cloud platform, and Weights and Biases, which helps with experiment tracking and collaboration. These tools are becoming industry standards, and learning even one or two of them can really boost your career. Speaking of careers, is MLOps a skill worth learning? Absolutely. MLOps engineers are in high demand, and for good reason. Companies realize that having great models is not enough. They need people who can put those models into production and keep them running successfully. Job market reports show that demand for MLOps skills is growing even faster than for traditional data science roles, and the salaries are highly competitive. So, to wrap this up, MLOps is the practice of managing the entire lifecycle of machine learning models. It solves the problem of models that never make it to production. It provides workflows and tools for automation, monitoring, and scalability. And it is one of the hottest skills to learn if you want to stand out in AI and data science in 2025 and beyond. That's it for today's explainer on MLOps.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learnitguide.net.